Like you have to go outside more. You have to connect to nature more. If that's the case, then ancestors are saying get something that represents nature and you need to touch it. Like the leaves of the plant, the bark of a tree. You need to connect more. Okay? With both hands, you need to touch and connect with both hands. Even if you can only get to a plant, if you don't live near the forest, there's no forest, where you live because you're in the city. Then even sit with a plant with both hands on that plant. And of course, you need to talk to the plant. Make sure you get permission that that plant is okay with you just touching it. You need to connect because everything is alive. Both nature and city, I have been yearning to go for walks in the woods in nature and need to the beach too. Yeah, that's what it is. Your body is asking for nature. Yeah.